Your planer's feed rollers are driven by chains and sprockets. The out feed roller has two sprockets on it, one connecting it to the gearbox and the other connecting it to the in-feed roller. The in-feed roller has a single sprocket. Over time, the sprockets can wear, causing the chain to skip. If the planer is frequently overloaded, the key on the sprocket might shear. Replacing the feed roller sprocket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side covers from the planer. Now I'm going to raise the cutter head as high as it will go. And I'll lay the planer onto its front. Now I'll remove the gearbox cover. Keep in mind at this point going forward, the knives are exposed. The outfeed rollers are driven by chains and sprockets. The two chains are identical. 3 of these sprockets are identical, and the one in the back on the outfeed roller is a little different. It has a shorter hub. I'll begin by removing the chains and sprockets. The sprockets are secured with retaining rings. Now I can pull the sprockets and chain that attach the two rollers together. I'll install my new sprocket onto the chain. Now I can install the chain between the two feed rollers. Again, the hubs should be towards the inside of the planer. I'll first install the sprocket on the out feed roller. Then I'll rotate the in feed roller until the keyway aligns with the spindle. Now I can resecure everything with the retaining rings. Now I can reinstall the gearbox cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the side covers. Want to make sure you get the pointer in front of the scale. And that's all it takes to replace the sprocket on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.